Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and I wrote down here the bulls have clearance to the upper level. Maybe not today, but over the course, unless there's news, and it's sustainable negative news that takes this tape down, there's nothing to stop the bulls now from testing the upper Bollinger Band. They have broken through everything. And the last big unknown, is now known with that jobs report. So the jobs report today, it's the worst possible setup for me for a jobs report, because what they did was they just took it from 8:30, and the 1 minute candle went from basically where they opened it with a high of 43. And you guys, anybody that's followed me for any period of time knows my number one rule is don't game jobs. Don't go in at 829, bet on red or black and see if you're right. And that's the only way you were catching that move today, if you were going to get the bulk of it. So it didn't set up well for me. We tried a couple longs, we tried a couple shorts up in this chop. We're long now, so we'll see if it can, if it can reach a little bit here. And it's mostly based on the theory of, look, they've tried to take it down. They tried to deal with, with 38 to 37 to 39, and it held. Now we're back up at 46. So you've got, does it keep going? I don't know. But until it demonstrates to me that it can pull in, then all these stupid little dips are buys. And you look at this, you spend any time at all on this hourly chart, and it's just, you couldn't draw up a bigger nightmare for the bears this week. So way back here, Sunday, here's your gap down into the 2980s. And, with the exception of the one test of the 50, in and around the open on Monday, it's just been a nightmare. It's spent very little time this week below the hourly midband. Every one of those is eventually hopped back over, held, and been a buy. It's converted all kinds of moving averages, 50, 100, 250, weekly pivots, monthly pivots, 9 days. Here's the midband. And it's just, that's why I say, look, there's nothing left for it to do except squeeze the bears up to the upper level, to the upper Bollinger Band. Now, are they going to do that on the Thursday before a 3-day weekend? I don't know. I don't know. You still have to answer the question this afternoon, show of hands, who wants to be long a 3-day weekend in this environment? Now, I think there's a lot more people this Friday that were willing to do it versus last Friday, but it's still a question that has to be answered. So we'll see how this goes. We'll see how it closes. But this is a tape that I think, yesterday was a little bit of a frustrating tape. Yesterday, this is your regular session yesterday. Rejected spike, rejected spike, rejected spike, spike, spike. I mean, that was a real pain in the ass to trade yesterday, to be honest. So we'll see how this goes today. But anybody that's not coming on here and saying it's absolute advantage bulls, I mean, what else do you need to see? I mean, you're just throwing darts at highs and hoping that it comes in. That's not the way to go. Especially not based upon the track record of the freaking bears. I mean, they don't have a track record. They're a freaking train wreck. So they have to have news to take it down. They cannot take it down sustainably without news. Bottom line, that's it. They need news. We'll see if they get any today. All right. Take care, everybody. Happy 4th of July. Be safe. Be healthy. I will catch everybody Monday. No webcast tomorrow. Trade them well. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.